Welcome to our ultimate guide on mastering IPTV Pro. If you're looking for a seamless streaming experience, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving deep into the setup and optimization of IPTV Pro, a powerful app that allows you to enjoy a vast array of channels and content. First, ensure you have a reliable internet connection. At least 10 megabits per second is recommended for smooth streaming. Next, download IPTV Pro from a trusted source. You can find it on the Play Store or the official website. Once downloaded, open the app, and you'll be greeted with a straightforward interface. Now let's configure your settings.
Yeah, came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, ain't something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Artist out the ranch, I just told you that I'm bout it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. That's just what it is, yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body. Who you know, but like this, nobody. Can't go slow, I gotta hit that body. I'm the top for the top, I can't never take a break. Yeah, I'm hot, and you not, that's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long, hard road, gotta go home. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep going. Yeah, 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 can't do flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, ain't something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping.
You'll need your IPTV provider's M3U URL or EPG link. If you haven't yet chosen a provider, I recommend checking out 2TV Store, known for being the best IPTV provider for a reason. Simply input your M3U URL under Settings, and you're almost ready to go. Next, navigate to the player settings. A common mistake is skipping the decoder configuration. Opt for the native option to enhance playback quality. This ensures your videos load faster and with minimal buffering.
Yeah, came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, ain't something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Artist out the ranch, I just told you that I'm bout it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. That's just what it is, yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body. Who you know, but like this, nobody. Can't go slow, I gotta hit that body. I'm the top for the top, I can't never take a break. Yeah, I'm hot, and you not, that's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long, hard road, gotta go home. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep going. Yeah, 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 can't do flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, ain't something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping.
Test a few channels to confirm everything is functioning smoothly. If you encounter issues, don't worry. Start by checking your internet connection and ensuring your URL is correct. If problems persist, try clearing the app cache or reinstalling the app. Remember, Using a VPN can also improve your streaming experience by bypassing ISP throttling. Lastly, keep your app updated for the best performance. And as a final tip, explore the various playlists available within the app to discover new and exciting content. For an exceptional IPTV experience, check the pinned comment now to discover 2TV Store, where you'll find the best deals available.